Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today got some very popular in Spain, seem to be popping up all over the place to be fair. I'll hop pretty much everywhere. There's one in the old Corte Inglés, there's one down in the Carafina Street, you got one in town, not huge one on Jamie Avenue, which is like a more sort of electrical outlet type shop. This one here on Poniente Beach, which is a more beachwear shop, like if you maybe rent a bucket and spade or like pair of sandals or something, that's the place to go. They do also do the usual hot stuff as well, the very brilliant massage pillars. Surely that's animal cruelty as well. Dog tied to the bike, she's pedalling along and the poor dog's having to like full speed run after the bike. I mean, I don't know. I don't really think there is many laws against animal cruelty here in Spain. I will just shoot over here, show you down there. I don't know what they're doing there, whether not the storms maybe damaged the lights. A storm we've had a few months back maybe pulled all the lights out. Think so. Anyway, carry on down. Looks like the roadworks down here have finally finished as well, so you can manage to get all the way down here and drive all the way down here. The police van there casually parked the wrong way. I'm trying to remember the bar we went to for Mum's birthday last year now. I know it was somewhere along here, I just for the hell of me can't remember what it was called. But it was a great bar. We had tappers and we accidentally said to share because we said that bigger portions. So I mean, there's a Spanish ended up with like, say, a little plate of garlic mushrooms. We're getting like a massive plate full of them. And I mean, we had a great day, great meal, like we were getting so many tapas. Did become a bit expensive eventually though, considering like, the amount of stuff we had. Check that out. That would be a bit scary for me, to be fair. Not really seeing where you're going. Anyway, with the amount of stuff we had, the amount of drinks we had, it did eventually build the price up a bit, resulting in the bill coming to a total of €70, which I mean, for the stuff we had, yeah, I'd say it were worth the money, to be fair. Look, it were a good enough meal, and I mean, as it were Mum's birthday, we all got ourselves done up all nice. So yeah, it were worth the money. We had a good feeling, we had a good few drinks as well. I mean, Mum, of course, I wanted some American Cokes. I had a milkshake. We had fun though, didn't we, Mum? Even though I did do a bit of moaning, because I mean it were hot and we had done a fair bit of like walking around trying to find somewhere to go that day. We'll just show you a restaurant here. Chickens, ribs, rabbit. Oh, love a bit of rabbit, guys. And as you can see, fire. That's how they cook the stuff in there, guys. All freshly cooked, and you get to watch them. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, yeah, as I was saying, I love rabbit. First tried it in Malta, because it is sort of an Easter tradition over there to have rabbit. Show you the paraglider out there as well. Anyway, it's an Easter tradition to have rabbit, in the hotel we was at. They did have rabbit, so I went up. Fine, I'll try it. And I liked it, and of course, next time we went to Malta, had to have it again. Then, of course, coming to Benidorm, got talking to a friend of ours, told him I like rabbit, and he were like, I'll leave it with me. I'll get the owner to do you like a nice rabbit stew. Gorgeous. Yeah, it's a bit bony, like, does have a fair few bones on it, but still nice bit of meat. Oh. Nice bit of meat and very tasty. Sports shop there, Sprinter Sports Shop. Do some great stuff in there as well. Anyway, back to rabbit. It is sort of difficult to buy it here in the shops. Yeah, they do it, but poor thing's still got its head on its legs. Like, everything's still intact. Mum being Mum, she don't like buying stuff that's still got half of its body left. So last time we had it was quite hard to do it with our Mum, but we managed to pull it off, like, get me a nice bit of rabbit. Anyway, smash the like, smash subscribe. Think me and Sue's gonna go try get a cold drink, hopefully. I don't know. Yeah, then I'll do another film, possibly up Jamie Avenue. So, yeah, see you all in the next one, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay safe. And, yeah, that's about it. See ya.